Hi guys, I'm back with another one, and in this one we are going to take a look at the DAL's new Nepal series of props. What's so special about them is they're actually a little bit swept forward as a Nepal knife, so they say in their product description, and these are really promising props. First of all, the plastic is really nice. They are 51 43.5 in the pitch, so they're actually really similar to the gamfan's 51 46.6 that I've been using for some time now. And if I compare them, I don't know if you can see, but the pitch and the shape of the blade, except the swept part, is really similar. What I'm looking for in this prop is something that Azure Johnny prop had. Namely, I think it's due to the lack of trust on Johnny prop. You were always on a throttle. You never, even in split S acrobatics, you never left the throttle. So the flight was really smooth. So my guess, this is going to be the case with this one. But let's take it for a spin. Flying and comparing the DALs with the gamfan props that I was usually flying, I was noticing no lack in thrust and power, because they're really good on punch outs. But what I experienced is that these are more smooth. When you're coming down from the hard dive and you're throttle punching to get out of that, I mean, they're really smooth. So yeah, it's hard to tell whether they are better or worse, but for me and what I'm experiencing during flights, these are better props. So yeah, it's worth checking them out.